Welcome to CAD Engineer. In this problem, we are going to see a steady state flow simulation over a house to compute the fluid flow field and the fluid force on the building. The simulation shows the behavior of the airflow around the house after cooling with it and compute the steady state with the wind loading on the house. Let's see how to do that. So here we have taken a material of for this building, that is structural steel, and here we have defined the air, gas, gravity, and the walls, non-slip walls of house, ground, and free slip walls, external walls, and we have defined the airflow 5 meter per second, and we have to see the outlet flow. So let's calculate the problem. So here we can see the velocity, the magnitude of the velocity, how the velocity will flowing. So maximum magnitude is 7.36 we are getting here. So here we can see the velocity value, we can see the static pressure values, and we can also see the total pressures on the building, how the total pressure is acting on the model. We can also see what is this slam board. So this is how we can see all the results, total pressures, static pressures, and the velocities. We can stop the animation also, and we want to see by zooming that you can see that also. You can see that particle form flow also. If you want to see that fluid air flow in the form of particle form, that also we can see here. We can see in that directional field flow. Okay, by we can see that in streamline flow by defining stream. So how we want to specify, we can specify our flow type. We can see in the contour type. So this is how we can calculate the velocity, pressure, and total pressure and static on the house. Thank you for watching this video.